Hello children, please open up page number 46 of your computer reader book. Yesterday we had read about the advantages of internet, which are faster communication, abundant information, easy sharing, online service and e-commerce, cost saving. These are the 5 main advantages of internet. Now let us focus on the disadvantages of internet. Number 1 is virus threat. Computers that are connected to internet can be attacked by virus. This can result in loss of your important data. So the first disadvantage of internet is virus threat. Any computers can catch a virus and all the important data can be lost. Second one is information loss. Information shared over internet is not fully secure and can be stolen by the people with bad intentions. Hence, the users should take care while sharing sensitive information such as credit card or debit card details, some passwords, etc. So when you are sharing any details of your debit card or credit card, you have to be very careful. Okay? And that information, if you are sending on internet to someone, then you have to see that it should be sent in a proper manner. Next is fast spreading of wrong information. The third disadvantage of internet is fast spreading of wrong information. Sometimes the information posted on internet is not genuine, but it spreads at a very fast speed, leading to problems and misunderstandings. Nowadays, when this disease is spreaded everywhere in the world, if you get any information on internet, don't forward it, children. You read it, but don't forward it. It can be a wrong information about the disease. And if you forward it, it might create any problem or even misunderstandings. So you be careful, children. The fourth and the last disadvantage is spam. Spam are the irrelevant, unwanted messages sent to somebody using emails. Okay, so let us read. Many a time, users get unwanted and unnecessary social or advertisement emails, etc., known as spam. This slows down the system and can also contain virus. So this spam slows down the system of your computer and it can also contain virus, which may harm the useful data of the user. So these 4 are the disadvantages of internet which you have to learn. Now come on page number 47 and let us read about the basic terminology. Number 1, these are the terms which are new for you. Website, web page, home page, web browser and search engines. These are the new words which you will learn in this page. First, let's learn about the website. What is a website? Now look at this picture. The information available on the internet is contained in the websites. There are various websites, number of websites on internet, and they contain various information, whatever information you have to search for. and this information is also on the web pages. As a book contains a number of pages, similarly a website is a collection of related web pages linked to one another. So when you open the first page, then it is linked with the second page, and it is then linked to the third page, and that way a website is created. It is a collection of related web pages linked to one another. Okay, now come to web page. Information is put on the internet in the form of digital pages called web pages. Please underline this line, children, and read. Information is put on internet in the form of digital pages called web pages. Now look at this picture. These pages may contain text, number 1, text, number 2, graphics, number 3, videos, and number 4, audios, and links also, number 5, links to other pages. So a web page will contain all these things. You are well aware what is the text, what are graphics, these pictures everywhere which are put in the book, and they are also on the web page. Then videos or audios or links, they are put up on the web page. And what are web pages? They are digital pages. Now come to the new one, home page. The main page of any website which contains links to other pages is called the home page. By default, it is the first page of every website. So the first page of every website is called home page. Now let us read about the web browsers. You all must be aware of these 4 web browsers which you have drawn in your classwork notebook. Let us read about these web browsers and what are the work they are doing. A web browser is a software application. It is a software application or program that allows you to access the entire information available on the web. Okay, again, a web browser is a software application or program that allows you to access the entire information available on the web. You can visit any website by entering its URL in the address bar of the web browser. Now there is a address bar like this. It is there on the screen when you go to the web browser. This Google Chrome web browser, you will see it on the mobile phones also. And when you open this, you click on this, you will get this type of bar. It is called the address bar, and you have to enter the URL in the address bar. Now what is URL? URL, the full form of URL is U for uniform, R for resource, L for locator. So the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. It is the address of a resource, which can be a specific web page or a file. Okay. Now, browsers make it very easy to move from one website to another. You can normally open your web browser from a shortcut on your desktop. At the desktop screen, this is your shortcut to the web browser. this one is Google Chrome, and over here you have Mozilla Firefox, and here you have Internet Explorer. So here you have three web browsers. The shortcuts are made here on the desktop screen. Okay. Here is the horizontal bar where you have the start button here. And here you have the three shortcuts of the web browsers, which you can see on the desktop screen. Now come back to the reader. Okay. Examples of some popular web browsers are Internet Explorer, this E is written, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, etc. So you know all about these. Now, search engine is the new term which you will learn now. A search engine is a software that searches for any information, any kind of information required by a user. The search is made on various web pages on the World Wide Web. Some of the most popular search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. You have to remember these names. Underline these names. These are the three main search engines, and these are the softwares that search for any information required by us.